Very exciting, but it's the first work order of the day. Just putting together some metal shelving rack.
The only tool used was a razor knife to open the boxes. Facilities maintenance is all over the board. Tom does enjoy the variety of work. This is not a job where you do the same thing day after day. Following work orders in this video are LED lighting that are intermittent in their operation and automatic sliding glass doors that will not close to an entrance in a building. A facility maintenance technician is the jack of all trades responsible for keeping a building running smoothly. They handle everything from routine preventive maintenance on HVAC electrical and plumbing systems to responding to repair work orders for anything that breaks, whether it's a leaky faucet, a flickering light, or a faulty automatic door. Their main goal is ensure a facility is safe, functional, and comfortable for its occupants. They're problem solvers who can diagnose issues, perform repairs, and often coordinate outside contractors, all while prioritizing safety and efficiency.
It's got caster wheels, and the user's gonna roll it away a little bit into another room. They just needed it assembled. So I will go on to my next work order. Don't appear to be LED. At the moment they're on, but I've seen them off before, and also been before they go on and off. It will, so what I'm going to do is check all the wiring connections and voltage. Alright, so I'm checking the wiring connections, and I'm going to check the voltage. Let's see what we get. Hopefully it's low voltage, because none of this wiring is in conduit. Ground here, 32, 32. That is a strange reading to me at this point. Yeah, so this one here looked pretty, didn't look like a good connection. This is a awfully big wire nut for these little wires. See if they'll even bite down on there. Seems like it did. Okay, I'm going to take another voltage reading down the line and see if I get 32 here also. Alright, checking further down the line. See where the voltage is. 35, 35. Also be checking in this box over here. We got some LED drivers, you can see a little bit. I'm checking those connections. I do have the power on, so I need to be careful. I want to see if either one of these is hot. Yeah, this one's really hot. Whoa. Both hot. I wonder why. I wonder why they're so hot. Maybe that's why the box was open. Oh my God. Well, they're probably going off on thermal overload. I'm just imagining they were wired correctly, because they've been in place for 6 years. Alright, I got the power off to these. And these things are freaking hot. I've worked with a lot of lighting ballast. A lot of lighting ballast. Drivers, and this is not good. How did they pack that in there? Holy shit. Those suckers are smoking hot. Bet you that's what happens. I bet it overheats and then it cools back down and then comes back on. Wow. Gotta get this thing out of here. Very carefully, that's how you get it out of there. Off camera, I'm gonna look to see that this is all wired correctly. Then again, a loose connection make them heat up too, but take a picture of this. Also says that case must be grounded, which it's not. Neither case was grounded. Alright, I'm definitely gonna replace these drivers. So on the load side, I was reading 35 volts. It's supposed to be 24 volts. And my input can be 120 or 277. 120. I'm reading 113, but yeah, it's using 120, which is fine. Well, gonna go ahead and replace these LED drivers. Okay, I got the power off. I'm just gonna disconnect them. Alright, I got it disconnected. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the rest of the lights on in the area and leave these LED strip lights off until I replace the drivers. That's it for now. I'll be back. I only have about an hour left of my day, and I just got a call for a, they call it an emergency work order. The automatic door that is not closing, and the customer's afraid that they can't lock up the building and secure it tonight. So I'm going to go over there and take care of that, and hopefully get some good shots. Alright, I arrived to the site, and I'm going to check out these doors. So we got some automatic sliding glass doors. Let's see how they feel. I want to check, make sure they're on track. Check out this key position. Looks like it's on two-way auto. Seems like it's on track. How about if we turn it off and turn it back on? Exit only. That means foot traffic going out will be able to go out. Oh, that sounds bad. That sounds rough. Let's try hold open. Take the keys. I think we might be in two-way right now. Yeah. Might have to replay the video and see if the key switch was in the wrong position. Let me get out of the door sensor detection area. See if they shut. I think we're hitting something on the bottom or the top or the bottom. I'm gonna check those tracks real good. Yeah, look at that. There's some interference with this door. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Come on in. So, let's see. I gotta make sure I'm not Yeah, I'm in two-way. So if I turn it off, all right, let's put in hold open. And now what I'd like to do is check under here. I gotta get to close a little bit. I want this to break away. So let's go back to two-way, let it shut a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you something. There we go. So this disconnects the safety switch. So it kills the power of the door. And then I just want to check down underneath and see what's grinding. Didn't really kill the power, did it? It's supposed to, as far as I know. All right, it's gonna try to shut when I kill the power. Yeah. Let's see what I can find out. Obstructions. I want to see how it feels when I draw the door. Now let some folks in.
I'm gonna grab the best frames for each animations.
Please come through.
Something's really grinding up there.
Brad. Alright, so the doors sit on a trolley, some carriage wheels, and either the wheels are bad or something up in this header. I am going to oil it, but I think even if I oil it, there's some parts that need to be repaired. That will go beyond my scope of maintenance, but I could get an automatic door bender out here. So I'm gonna go get some WD-40. Might have to open up the next header. Show you what I'm talking about. So these glass leaves hang on a trolley system. This is our controller. But I want to look at the mechanical parts here. See this wheel here? I never saw it move when I rolled it, or when I just rolled there a little bit, then it stops. But that's what I want to lubricate. Those rollers there. And there's two more over on that side that I need to get to. I'm gonna have to lift this up, find the screws for that, and lift it up. I'm gonna sit you back in the jungle. Okay. Well, let's oil this one. Let's try to remove that other header so I can get to those other trolley wheels.
That one.
Squirting by them. Oh yeah, I do see it. Alright, squirted them. I'm gonna pull the door closed and open, see if it feels any better. Not through. No improvement. That sounds awful. I'm gonna go ahead and open up that other header and take a better look and see if I can make an adjustment or not. I don't know until I try. I got it open for a better view. Oh. Believe it or not, I need a flashlight. Alright, there's some tape on that header up there because I couldn't hold that up and try to work on the door at the same time. Don't forget to take a break. We are not machines. You know, cool off for a little bit. Got my tools and I'll go back and make that adjustment. I figured out an easier way to get the header plate back in. Just use the doors conventionally, like a swing door. So now I could go ahead and get this plate in and get the screw up, because this door leaf has to be all the way this way, like it is now. And then I'll just do the reverse for the other one. And people go in and out all they want. And I get my work done, get home. And I want to thank all my new subscribers. I am really blessed, and I want to put value out on my videos, and I want to see how far I could take this channel. Take care.